Okay, how's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. Right here I'm showing off the ECLIPSE Elite. This is a new form of gold nano screen. Now keep in mind, gold is fantastic, especially when it comes to home theater. The difficult part is to get a screen to be able to produce white levels without the white levels coming off yellowish or brown. Now this technology has incredible gain capability. It has amazing color enhancement technology, and the screen just looks absolutely gorgeous. Now, this particular formula will not be used as a screen paint form. It's actually going to be designed as a fixed frame projection screen. We're going to have this in 100 inch and 120 inch. I can't go into telling you how the fixed frame is going to look, but I'm telling you it's going to be something that you've never seen before. It's going to be the most beautiful fixed frame kit that you will ever see. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous, and with this new coating it's going to look absolutely incredible. We are working with the company right now on getting set up with a distributorship contract to be able to buy their screens and be able, at a wholesale price of course, and be able to fuse it with this new technology. Alright, so let's begin. Keep in mind my projector is around 9 feet back. I'm using a ViewSonic full 1080p projector. Alright, so let's begin the demonstration. Okay, let me go back here and hit my recorder, actually my phone, and we'll start. Now remind you, the technology is only at 20% done. That's it. Still has a lot more work to go. Now, with this technology, a gold screen can produce much better, much more advanced colors. And keep in mind, we're doing this on a 1080p projector. There's no 4K required. There's no upscaling or any form of calibration to the projector. And our projector is still set in the factory default settings. Alright, so let's check out the angle gain. As I said, the screen can produce pure white. How's everybody doing over there? Gotta back up, I don't want to bump into my projector. Now later on tomorrow I'll do a demonstration with the lights out, showing you how the screen performs. We'll do it downstairs in the workshop. Now it's just me tripping over stuff behind me. Alright, so I'm going to pause it right there. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. Yeah, I just tripped over something behind me that was sitting in back. Man, I gotta be careful because I move around. I really don't watch where my feet go. But I hope you enjoyed the video demonstration of the new technology. Also, too, I want to show off. These are the containers that we ordered for our contracts. So we have distributorship contracts. And this is a 2.5 or 2.50 I think container, and this will allow us to ship over tons of paint to our contract distributors, which we have in Dubai, and we have a few here in the States. So these are the new containers. Just order them today. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video demonstration on our new gold projection screen. Pretty much I can't say too much right now. Like I said, still in testing. Again, hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I have to go.